there, and welcome to Cityline. It is great to be in your home. We're zooming from my kitchen, and we have a great hour ahead of us. Later on, we'll be talking with, Trash Octopus. I'm not sure what Trash Octopus is. I've seen pictures. And if you're in the same boat as I am, you definitely want to stick around for the Trash Octopus segment. Also, Tacoma Guitar and Drum Festival. It's back on again this year. It's going to be in the Dome, and they have some amazing special guests, which we will have one of them, so you don't want to miss that. Dementia-friendly Pierce County will be here to talk about some of the services that the Lutheran Community Services Network provides for our family and friends who have dementia. You definitely want to be there for that one. The Humane Society will be here with our Pet of the Week. And with me right now are two amazing women who are here to talk about, the City of Destiny Awards. Of course, we are known for this. Please join me in welcoming Jessica Johnson. You are the co-chair of the City Events and Recognition Committee. Welcome back, Jessica.
Thank you so much for having me, Amanda. I appreciate it.
Oh, it's great to have you here. And you brought Calla Droley. You are the Program Development Specialist with the City of Tacoma. Welcome back, my dear.
Always fun to be here with you, Amanda. Thank you.
Great to have you on my screen. So Jessica, what is happening with the City of Destiny Awards this year? Because we're in a really precarious place right now.
So for over 30 years, the City of Destiny Awards has honored more than 200 volunteers and professionals who go above and beyond to help make Tacoma a vibrant community, which I know you love. And due to the pandemic, we're just not able to do live events anymore. Soon we hope we can come back from that. So this year we're going to be doing a virtual format. The awards will be released on multiple platforms, which will be great. So everyone has a chance to view it and participate. The new format will highlight a lot of this year's awards and featured local performers, which I'm very excited about. And TV Tacoma will premiere the pre-recorded video on June 26th at 6 p.m. It will also be streamed on Facebook Live, and it's definitely an event not to be missed.
I love that. That's so fabulous. Calla, what's different about putting together a video program versus the usual live ceremony?
It's been interesting. We started with last year's event, going to the video format, and our wonderful team at TV Tacoma is just working so hard behind the scenes, and it's a lot more work for them to do a video version of an awards ceremony. All these different working parts come together in production as opposed to coming together on a stage with a live audience.
Calla, this is such a busy time in our city right now. We have elections, we have vaccinations, we have rezoning, redistricting, we have people opening up and festivals happening. It feels like every time I am on social media, the mayor and the council members, they don't sleep. They're busy. So are they going to be able to attend this ceremony?
Yeah, they are busy, and they have already been recorded presenting the awards. So the awards were dropped off at TV Tacoma, and they, recorded their segments. We have a script writer who wrote the scripts, and they follow along with that. And then after that, we had all of the awardees one by one come into the studio, and they recorded. So the mayor was the most the busiest person in the world, and she was in the middle of producing the State of the City address, which was 4 segments. So I think that helped, because she was in the studio so often. She did multiple things that were recorded, and each one of the council members did the same thing. If they were in the studio for something else, they just sat down in front of the camera and did that segment, and it all worked out, but it's coming together as we speak in production. And how we got them all there is an amazing team effort. It's really, yeah, I really appreciate the assistance to the council and the mayor.
I love that. So Jessica, I have two questions kind of put into one for you. So first off, what is the awardee selection like? And then tell us about a couple of those recipients.
Yeah, absolutely, Amanda. That's a really great question. So as far as the awardee selection process, a small subcommittee meets to read through many of the nomination forms. And we believe we all deserve to be awarded, though it is part of the committee's responsibility to narrow it down to 10 to 13 people. We did present the list to the full committee to vote. And then all of this year's nominees did actually receive an award, because we just felt like it was the year to give those things out to people. There have been a lot of people who have really participated in the community and helped us get to where we were and through this pandemic. So we just really wanted to honor everyone that we could.
You know, Jessica, I used to sit on that committee probably a good 20 years ago. I'm really dating myself. And it was so wonderful. But what I remember the most was when it was time for us to go through all the applications and the binders. I thought to myself, this is the best thing I've ever done, because I get to see all of these amazing people. And then to narrow it down, that's like asking a parent, who's your favorite child? It's like, it doesn't happen. So I have so much respect for you and this committee. And when you say that, you know, this was the year of awards, yeah, can we give it an award for just surviving?
Right. We made it through. No, I completely agree. And I really have noticed and seen and witnessed the participation and love that Tacoma has for our community. And it's really great. I've been in LA and in New York and a lot of different places. And there's just something really, really special about Tacoma that deserves recognition. And we all really do go above and beyond to support each other. And that's, I think, a really nice part of this community.
Absolutely. Let's talk about, Kella mentioned some of the differences between recording videos, which is such a smart hybrid thing to do, and then making it, you know, somehow look like it's live. But let's talk about the forms of performance, because this ceremony is known for its performances, just like the MLK ceremony is.
Yeah, so we are going to have Tacoma's own Stephanie Ann Johnson, who will be singing 2 of her songs in honor of the awardees, which is great. I'm so excited for that. And then we're also going to have the new poet laureate, Lydia K. Valentine, and she'll be doing some spoken word to recognize the good, just the good work of the attendees that we have. So I'm super looking forward to that. And she was actually just appointed the Pass the Torch, which was hosted by the City Officers and Arts Cultural Vitality, which is kind of cool. So we're really looking forward to both Stephanie and Lydia's performances.
I just had Lydia on the show, I think about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Oh, what a delight. Love her.
Calla has mentioned a lot of great things about her as well. So I'm excited to witness all of this. I think it's going to be a really great event. A lot of hard work's been put into it. So I'm proud of everyone who has contributed.
Absolutely.
Yep. Both of those ladies offered us something that we haven't actually been offered before, which was to really focus their energy on this particular event and what it means, you know. And I just really appreciate that creativity, and I'm excited for you to see it. It's going to be great.
Absolutely. So Jessica, my last question is, once people view the events and recognition ceremony, they're going to go, well, what else is this committee working on? So what is the answer to that question, Miss Jessica? What else is coming up?
So there's really, really great things that are coming to Cirque. One of the really exciting things is we have 4 new members that are joining our board, which is super exciting. We've gotten to, review all of their past and history and their goals for Tacoma. And it's thrilling to know that there are so many people that really want to contribute their vibrancy and their soul to the community, which I think we all need right now. Another thing we're getting ready to launch very soon, so it'll be this Saturday, is our Juneteenth social media campaign. So basically, we're trying to reach out with Citywide and get people's feelings on what Juneteenth means to them, and then also try to raise money and look forward to 2022's Juneteenth celebration, which will not be virtual. Hopefully it'll be in person. But we do want to honor, all of our community, people of color and whatnot, to just celebrate everything they have done. And I'm really excited to get to do this. This is the first time we've gotten to really create this. So it's a weird year with COVID to be creating a new event that is virtual. But I am excited that we do get to highlight a lot of our community. So please follow our social media. We're on Instagram and Facebook. And we really hope to have some videos and shout outs to a lot of the business owners around Tacoma and just really highlight Juneteenth this Saturday.
Well, I can't wait. Thank you to both of you and the teams that you represent for all of this amazing and very hard work that you have done to bring together this event virtually. Without the 2 of you and the people that you represent, we wouldn't get to know the best of the best here in Tacoma. And every year they keep coming, which is why it's such a great place to live. So thank you to both of you for all that you've done. And don't be a stranger. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure.
Yes, thank you so much, Amanda. I appreciate it. And another really special shout out to Kala, because we couldn't do this without her. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Amanda. It's always a pleasure to be right next to you.
Well, thank you both so much for being our guests today.